Jump statements are control statements that alter the flow of execution within a program. The main jump statements include break, continue, return, go to, and throw. The break statement exits a loop or a switch statement prematurely. The continue statement skips the current iteration of a loop and proceeds to the next one. The return statement exits a method and can return a value. The go-to statement transfers control to a labeled statement, but its use is generally discouraged in favor of more structured control flow. The throw statement exits the current method while providing an exception to be caught by a try-catch block. These statements are particularly useful for managing loops. For example, you can use break to terminate a loop early when a specific condition is met, or you can use continue to skip processing for certain values, allowing the loop to continue with the next item. In methods, using return lets you exit early if a known result is available or the input is invalid. This approach helps avoid unnecessary computations, maintaining focused logic. In more complex scenarios, such as nested loops, jump statements can help simplify control flow, making your code easier to read and maintain.